Yo, man. I go by the name Young Flea, you hear me? Pardon me, but I'm about to give y'all the secret on making people stop snoring. So when somebody's too loud and they keep snoring, here's what you do. And this is for you. Listen to me, man. It's Young Flea talking, man. I'm gonna teach you something right now. Yo, go to the grave with this shit. I'm already telling you. You cough. Cough, and he gonna stop sneezing, or she gonna stop sneezing. You cough, but that's it. That you want the recipe, that's what it is, man. Remember, Young Flea from Trent, New Jersey, Page Dice Ave told you, man. I ain't never tell you nothing. Try it.